Hey guys, now you know that I love Honest Amish beard products, right? We also did free giveaways on my Instagram page a few months ago, but I never gave you guys an honest review video. So, today is the day. I brought in two guys, you remember them? Beast and Smiley.
Hey guys.
Hey.
They've never tried it before, so you guys are gonna try it out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it sounds good.
All right, let's do it. All right, there you go. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it so far. It looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. I really like the packaging. I'm excited to try it out.
All right, you guys have 4 weeks to try it out. All right, we're gonna film you as well, and then you're gonna give your honest review. You ready?
Yeah, we're gonna see if this really works.
Yeah, ready.
Let's do this. Hey guys, so it's been a while. We just wanted to test it out for a couple of weeks, but it's been over
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
It's been long.
Pretty much 2 months.
Look at your beards. They've grown.
Yeah, we tested it longer.
But you shaved it a little bit and then it grew longer as well
yeah.
again.
Yeah, no, it is.
All right, so you guys ready for the review?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah?
excited to give the review. I think it's pretty good product.
Yeah. Beast?
Yeah, no, also very impressed. Like the product, like the texture, the smell, everything that goes with it. Good
All
products.
right.
Can I go first?
Yeah, sure. Go
Okay.
ahead. Honest review, eh?
Honest review. Okay, first up is the packaging. The packaging is really neat and it feels like you're opening a present. The labels on the products themselves are a little hard to get used to as they don't have a clear description of what product is in which container. So do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, I found it also a little bit difficult just to read. If you need to pick it up real quick just to see which product is which.
Especially at the start when you're not used to the products.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So what else?
So the first thing I noticed was the smell. And after using it for a couple of weeks, I can say the scent is long lasting and will keep your beard not just looking good, but also smelling fresh.
Okay, cool. And what do you guys think about the beard soap?
Yeah, I think this was actually my favorite. The fact that you don't need a lot when washing your beard, and it leaves your beard smelling natural. That awesome smell you just talked about.
Yeah.
And the best part of it, it doesn't dry out your beard.
That's cool.
Which is quite cool.
Definitely a plus.
Yeah.
All right. What's up next?
Okay, so next up is the beard comb, which is a handy little tool for a curly beard like mine. It also has a wood texture and it glides through your beard with ease.
Okay, cool. What do you think, Beast?
Yeah, I like the idea of adding it to the box. It's quite a nice addition to the gifting box. I just personally prefer brush, which works a little bit easier with my beard.
All right. So, what do you guys think about the wax?
Yeah, I quite like it, and so again the smell of the wax across all of the products is quite nice. Good to keep your beard in place, especially on that bad beard days when nothing seems to work.
I can definitely relate with the bad beard days. I have a really curly beard, so it's definitely helpful. So next up is the beard oil. So yeah, I have to be a bit careful for rubbing your beard on your clothes because it will leave a stain.
Especially if you have a long beard.
Yeah.
What do you think about the oil?
Yeah, I quite liked it. The fact that you don't need to use too much of it, understand, and it keeps your beard nice and soft and conditioned on a daily basis. Something also good for daily use. Yeah.
It will definitely last long as well.
Just again, I think I'm talking about this too much, but the smell of it, understand, just that natural, manly, woody smell, understand.
You like
awesome.
it?
Yeah.
The smell is definitely a bonus.
Yeah. When I first started to use beard products, I used too much oil, so it would drop on a lot of stuff. And even when I go to bed, I wouldn't take it off or rinse it out, and then it would end up in my pillow, which is not what you want. All right, guys. So what's next?
I think the next thing that we need to talk about is the beard balm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we received 2 of them in the package from Honest Amish, an original and in the bio blend. Personally, I prefer the bio blend, just a little bit nicer smelling, good texture. Only thing that I can recommend is just not using too much of it, because it can become a little bit oily.
It does get really oily.
I'm smiling. What do you think?
Yeah, one thing I noticed was the increase of thickness on my beard, which is also really nice.
Yeah, that's cool. So all in all, you guys like it?
Yeah, I'll give them a thumbs up.
Okay.
From packaging through the products, textures, and then also just the effect, I can really see an improvement in my beard, softness, stuff like that. So I really like it.
All right. I've been using it myself for a while, and I do like it. The only thing I don't like is the label. Like you said, Smiley, when you look at all the products, I mean, they're so similar, and you have to look close just to see what it is. It's like, is it wax? Is it beard balm? What is it?
Yeah, it's definitely a little hard to read at first, but as you get used to the containers, it isn't really that big of a problem. But yeah, definitely something they can work on.
If you guys want to check it out, check out the video description. We've added the links for you. And then if you're new to the channel, check out one of these videos and we'll see you there. And always remember this, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers, guys.
Bye.